Waking up early sounds great in theory. You have seen those YouTubers with their 5 a.m. routines, making smoothies, journaling, meditating. Meanwhile, you are hitting snooze for the third time, already red and wondering what went wrong. You want to change, you have tried, but it just doesn't stick. Now, let me fix that. And for real this time. The truth is, most of us don't have a problem waking up early. We have a problem going to bed early. You can sleep at 1 a.m. and expect to feel fresh at 5. That's not discipline, that's self punishment. Your body isn't lazy, it's tired, and your mind is probably overloaded. TikTok, YouTube, scrolling endlessly until your brain can't sort off. So, the first fix isn't in the morning, it's at night. Before you go to sleep, make sure you sleep at appropriate time so that you get enough time to sleep and then you can easily wake up in the morning. Now, you have to reset your sleep schedule slowly. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start by waking up just 15 to 20 minutes earlier every few days. Let's say you usually wake up at 9. Try 8:40. Do that for 3 days, then try 8:20. It sounds slow, but it works. Now you may ask why. Because your body needs time to adjust. This is sustainable change, the kind that sticks. Now, let me tell you one important thing. The most important thing is night routine. This is a game changer. Your morning starts the night before. Here's a simple rule. Just don't use any screen devices 30 minutes before the bed. That means no phone, no Netflix, no just one more scroll. Instead, switch to calm activities just like reading a book, reading a self improvement book, journaling, stretching, or even just dimming the lights and sitting in silence. You are not just relaxing your body, you are signaling your brain that it's time to sleep. Now, next important step is you have to create a reason to get up. Something that excites you in the morning to get up and wake up from the bed. Now think about this. Why should you wake up early? If your only reason is because I should, then your brain won't care. But if you are waking up to read a book you love, go on a walk, or walk on your dream quietly, then your mornings become meaningful. You don't need to jump straight into work. Just give yourself 15 minutes of something you enjoy. That makes it easier to rise and harder to hit snooze. Now, the alarm, I'll tell you one alarm trick that works every time. It's a classic, but it works. Put your alarm across the room. Make yourself physically get out of bed to turn it off. Then don't go back. Don't get into your blanket and be cozy and sleep in the bed. You walk to the sink, splash cold water onto your face, drink a glass of water, move your body a little bit, and boom, you are already awake. In 2 minutes, you will be awake enough to make the right choice, and then you don't want to go to sleep again. And important step is don't aim for perfection. Here's something most people won't ever tell you. Even if you wake up early, some mornings will suck. You will feel tired, you will want to quit, you will want to sleep again. But that's okay. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be consistent. If you fail one morning, don't throw the whole day away. Reset and try again tomorrow. Success isn't built in one morning, it's built in 100 imperfect ones where you just keep sowing. Now, to do that, you can track your wins. Now, if you can wake up early in tomorrow morning, then make it as you want something. Like get a calendar or notebook or diary or anything. Every time you wake up early, mark it. Not for rewards, just to see your own consistency. Over time, you will be very happy by seeing those little check marks and it will become a motivation for you. They show you that you are the type of person who does this. That identity shift, it's very powerful. So, at last, I just want to say you that waking up early won't magically fix your life, but it gives you something most people don't have. A quiet moment before the world wakes up. Today, time to think, reflect, build, grow. Start small, keep going, and soon you won't just wake up early. You will look forward to it. If this helped you, consider subscribing. I'll be sharing more nonsense, no nonsense, real self improvement content because you deserve better than this fake motivation.